alive. I've never felt this way before. It must be you and I. It's got me thinking about us.
Good morning, guys. I am reading all your comments from about the visa process. You guys, thank you. I'm glad that you guys comment and you like it.
Can't stop but think about the way that you move around up and down on that stage. It's your future vibes. Bright lights, they put me in a trance, so I feel like I can do it all. It's a good life that I really want. It's those future vibes.
A flower. I will tell you what flower is this, Han? Bonsai tree. And we got something also, blinds and curtains. I'm so excited for the curtains. Excited. We're in Walmart. And we're not even shower, guys. I know, I know you're thinking now, ew, MaryAnn never do shower. Oh my god. So, good morning to you guys. If I don't say good morning, if I forgot, I just spent this morning in the bathroom. And after that, we decided to come here at Walmart to get something. Because we need blinds in downstairs that I can stay there a little longer because I kind of scared. Last night, my husband get that. Oh, I'll tell you the story, guys. My husband put that like a little bit holder, like how you call that, Han?
It's a camping bed. It's
a camping bed, yeah.
That is for.
Yeah, it's a camping bed, but there is a holder. You go over there supposedly, and it's a camping bed. Okay, I sleep in it. So I wake up, like first thing I open my mouth is like kind of sinking, like oh my god, I did. And then I woke up, I don't even know, I just see it to my husband. I kind of half asleep. I told him, Han, what did I say, Han? Han, I'm sinking. God bless you.
There you go.
Slow down.
Yeah, but in the meantime, I gotta buy another one. You said no. What the hell?
I don't, it's expensive, Han. We're gonna get a bed anyway. I can survive in the thing.
I realize, but in the meantime, it doesn't matter. It comes in handy. I've had it for years.
For years, look at that, how lumpy is that already. You never use it for a long time, so now it's not good. So gonna have lunch, guys. It's already 2:30. I made some salmon and also the mushroom, and we have rice. So that's really it. And my husband is putting some barilobat, so it's okay. So the curtains, we put curtains over there, but you know it's not final yet. That's the final curtains, but the way it's designed doesn't like that. And we have whatever. This is a good thing about about having 3 batteries, because if the other one's low bat, and and what's the other ones in your camera, it's low bat too. So it's like when you forget the other one to charge, you have another one full like that. So Andrea, oh, my sister-in-law texted me and vlog much today because I spent time with him, and anyway I found the charger, or the printer that I have. This is a very nice printer, guys, and I'm gonna print some of my pictures. You just plug this into your computer, and then whatever picture you have, you just like click it, and then will stay. I've been using this for my wedding picture. I have an album over here. That's what I used to print a picture, and I have that for like 5 years already. Just get out from shower, guys. I've been waiting for my husband to call me, but he doesn't yet. It is already. What do you think about that? Hi guys, it is 10 o'clock and I'm not in this air bed because there's no air. It's fluffy. It's nothing. When you lie down, it's just like go to the floor. Look. Yeah, I'm in here and I'm sleeping here where my husband with the big 2 pillows. So yeah, it's really crazy. No bed. So anyway guys, I've been really ridiculously upset with this internet thing. No internet, nothing over here, nothing. So I'm trying to get a signal from my phone and use the hotspot to my Mac, to my laptop, because I want to copy some pictures that I can print, the one that I showed you, the printer, that I can print a picture because I don't have pictures on my laptop at all. So I'm gonna take it from Facebook, copy it to the desktop, and I can't even do it because no internet here. But that's why I'm trying to use the phone hotspot. It's crazy, guys. So anyway guys, I will end this vlog tonight, and I really thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate it. I'll see you in my next vlog, guys. Bye bye.